it's Fatima Gabbie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how I do finger coils. This is a really easy style to do and achieve, but it is a little tedious and it takes kind of long. But this is a style that can last you up to, I would say, at least 7 to 10 days without having to do anything to it. You can actually just pull it up in the back. You can wear some up in the ponytail, and you can just rock it with the middle part, side part. So if you're interested in how I do it and how I achieve this look, keep watching. Okay, I am starting my hair on freshly washed and deep conditioned and detangled hair. I have about 8 twists on each side, and I'm going to go ahead and section off half of my hair. Okay, and then I'm also going to get the rest of the twists out the way, and I'm going to leave one down to work with. I also added leave-in conditioner as I was detangling, and I'm going to add a little bit more as you'll see. And I'm using the Eden Body Works leave-in conditioner, the coconut Shea, and this was purchased at Sally's. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of Eco Styler gel for the hold, and I'm going to go back and make sure everything is detangled with my dimming brush. Okay, so now I'm going to work with a very small piece of hair, and I'm going to start by twisting it as tight as I can, close to the root. And as I twist, I just hold the spot and twirl my hair around with my finger and just keep going down and holding that twist all the way till I get to the end. So it's a little tedious, especially if you're working in smaller sections, but the curl that you get in the bounce is so rewarding. So again, I'm just twisting, hold, twirling, twisting, hold, twirling over and over until I get to the end. And there you have a nice little coil. And then I'm going to go in and section off another little piece and repeat the same process. I'm adding a little gel for the hold, and I'm going to start twisting as tight as I can close to the root of my hair. And then I'm going to twist all the way down, hold, and then twirl with my finger to keep twisting all the way down to the end of my hair. You can also use a comb to part your hair for the coils, but I just choose not to because I never do when I use my coils. So I'm just taking my hands pretty much, and separating the pieces for my coils. Okay, you're going to be seeing me repeat the same process for all of the coils. I'm just pretty much sectioning off a little small piece of hair, and I'm twisting the curl as tight as I can closest to the root, and then I hold the twist and just twirl down to keep the twist going, and then move my fingers down the twist to hold the twist and the coil, if that makes sense. So I'm just pretty much going all the way down, or going throughout my hair, doing the same steps over and over again until I have a full head of coils. We're finally down to the last 2 twists of my hair, and I'm adding a little bit of water because now my hair is a little bit dried out. So I already have the leave-in conditioner in, and I'm going to repeat the same steps as I previously stated. I have this clip a little sped up just for time purposes, and I'm just smoothing out my hair with my brush, and I'll start my twist. This piece of hair again is going to be my problem child, because when I got close to the end, for some reason it wouldn't curl the way I wanted to. I kept scrunching, but for some reason that curl wasn't nice like the rest of them. So that was my problem child. But you'll see where I keep scrunching like the rest of my curls just to make sure the end is very nicely curled. And I'm also adding gel. I forgot to say that. So I'm adding gel as I go on, just for the hold. As I part, and I'm adding, that's what you see I'm doing, I'm adding a little bit of gel. And then I'm smoothing it out with my brush. Okay, so obviously it's the next day and my hair looks amazing. And what I did, I sprayed a little bit of African Pride Sheen Spray, Olive Miracle Sheen Spray. I sprayed a little bit on my hair just for the extra shine. And I have to say that I'm loving it. I have a few pieces like this piece that wouldn't curl, but that's okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is hit the red button and you'll be subscribed. And if you want to know or be notified when I post a video, you can just hit that bell that's right next to the subscribe button and you will get notifications when I upload. So make sure you're subscribed so you can know when I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.